Lesson 4, multiplication and division word problems. So yesterday we talked about, or in lesson 3, we talked about different plots. This is basically another plot we're going to add on to what we talked about yesterday, and it's called equal groups. This reminds me of when I go to like a great big auditorium, I like to try to count all the chairs. And instead of counting each individual chair, I'll count how many is in one row and then how many rows there are, and then I multiply them together. This is called equal groups. So every group had the same amount, and you multiply to get them. So you take the number of groups times the number in each group. So this is like how many rows of chairs times how many chairs were in each row equals the total. And we write n times g equals t. We just kind of use those to help us remember. So here's an example, and it is a word problem, so it's kind of a lot of writing. There are 30 students in each class in the school. If there are 480 students, how many classes are there in the school? So we have how many groups there are. That would be the classes. The number in each class would be our 30 students, and our total would be 480. So if we used our equation, we don't know how many classes there are, but we're going to times by 30 to get 480. So to solve, we're going to have to divide. 480 divided by 30 gives you 1, just 30, bring down, 180 is 6. So there are 16 classes in the school. And that's the end of the lesson.